What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Ride and Dad channel video, or welcome if it's your first time. Either way, very glad to have you. Let's roll the intro, get into what this week's Wednesday video is all about.
Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a
Alright, so you guys saw the thumbnail. Is this for sale? Yeah, I guess so, but it's not the whole bike. It's just this fairing, and there's a few reasons behind that. So one of which, you guys should know that I am having the issues with a little bit of the wind buffeting. I tried a couple different windshields. I'm not going to get too much into that, but a lot of you guys know already that I have ordered a 14-inch clear view, which I am in the process of trying to cancel. It hasn't been made or shipped or anything yet, so I'm trying to cancel that, but 14 was the shortest windshield that would be able to have a vent in there. So that is why I went ahead and did that with the vent. I have a RWD kind of standard. I think it's 10 or 11, somewhere around there. But it's not the style that came with this, which was like this and then kind of up in the middle, like following the body lines of the fairing. It's just kind of the all-inclusive that like shields it more as a bubble. I have not tried that yet because I got it from Amazon. It was pretty cheap, but I can return it free, you know, no issues or whatever, so I don't want to mount it up and ruin my return chances or anything like that, because if I can't cancel Clearview, I'll probably return that and keep the Clearview. If I can cancel the Clearview, I'll probably keep that just for the heck of it to try it out. Worst case, it doesn't work and I just lose a little bit of chunk, but it's like a fourth of the price of the Clearview. So that's kind of where we're at. So yeah, that's part of why I am debating on selling it, but the bigger part is we just bought a camper trailer. So I know, thank you very much. So our kind of family, not dynamic, but I guess priorities and future plans for the years or two in the, the immediate years or two have kind of changed a little bit. So I'm not going to be doing as much touring as I thought I would. I'm not going to be doing really much two-up riding at all with this, which is specifically kind of what I'm setting it up for, because my wife still wants to get a bike. If she gets a bike, she's going to get something similar to like a Sportster size or a Street Bob. A little bit smaller than this, but nothing crazy small. She's looking at Harleys right now, but she still needs to take the class and everything and get her endorsement before she rides. So we're a little bit out the ways from that, but the bottom line is we're going to be taking shorter around town trips more. We're going to just be leaving the kids for a couple hours. Maybe we go out to eat or just take a ride for an hour or two, something like that. Not going to be taking much touring like I originally kind of thought I would, because our shift has focused more from that kind of stuff to now how can we maximize our weekends with more family time for the camper and stuff. No, it's not a toy hauler, so no, this will not be in the camper and everything like that. But again, we bought this camper specifically to spend more time with the family and everything. I'll put a picture up. If I already didn't put a picture up, I'll put a picture up now. Hopefully future me editing this remembers to put it in the right place and it's just not a random spot. But either way, hopefully sometime in the video you guys would have seen the picture of this camper. So that's kind of where we're at with this. I just wanted to come on, give you guys kind of an update. I know a lot of you guys are asking me all the time about the fairing stuff, about the buffeting stuff, the helmet stuff. I'm currently trying out a new helmet, so I will have another helmet long-term review to go as I phase that one out, because the current one I'm trying out is amazing. It's better than I thought it was going to be. I got it for a sale during like the Black Friday time or whatever, in Thanksgiving. I think it was like a week before, but it was, when everybody was having those sales. Amazing helmet. So you guys you'll have to stay tuned and subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications to make sure you don't miss any of my helmet reviews, short-term or long-term. But have a lot of those coming down the pipe. I believe... Nope, we already did that video. So Sportster's pretty much done as it is. Softail's pretty much done as it is. So you guys will have to stay tuned for the future video for this weekend and see what it is, because I'm not going to tell you yet. But yeah, so if you are wanting this fairing, if it doesn't sell, I'm not going to just keep posting it and posting it and posting it. I don't need it gone, but I am selling it. I'm asking in the US shipped $2,300, and that includes the two windshields I have, the standard one that's trimmed down, about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, like the stock one that came with it from Dominator, and the 9-inch Clockworks that I have purchased for it, as well as some extra hardware I have bought for it, and I will include the Eagle Lights 7-inch headlight that I went ahead and you have to purchase separately, obviously, for that. So again, this is carbon fiber from Dominator. It is currently for sale within the United States, $2,300 shipped. Quick update for those of you who did not watch last Wednesday's or just forget or whatever, I am giving away a Lexan Gen 1 tire pump. That will be, if my stuff gets here on time, which unfortunately it doesn't look like it's going to be now, but it will at least at minimum come with some Riding Dad stickers, some Tucker Speed stickers. I got a couple of those also, so I'll put those in the little care package or whatever. And all you have to do to enter that giveaway is go back on last Wednesday's video and comment something that you like most about the Riding Dad channel. You can comment a bunch of stuff if you like a bunch of stuff, but comment something that you like most about it, and then you have to be just subscribed. That's it. At the end of, well, actually, next week's Wednesday video, so 1 week from when this video goes live, is when I will be announcing the winner, and then I will ship it. And if you want to get yourself a Gen 1 or Gen 2 Lexan pump, make sure you head on over to Tucker Speed, use code RIDINGDAD, get yourself some discount from that, and get it shipped really quick, and support guys who support us. Again, can't say enough good things about Tucker Speed. I will promote them forever because they're great people. Good company also. So, like I said, if you want to get your own, go ahead over there. If you can't wait, or if you just think you have terrible luck, like I know I have terrible luck, go ahead and get one. They always, they have a ton of Gen 1s in stock. I'm not sure if they ran out of the Gen 2s yet, but the Gen 1 is cheaper, and it definitely does the job that it's supposed to do. It is a little bit smaller. So if you have limited space, you just want to spend less money, Gen 1's an awesome way to go. Hit up Tucker Speed for that. I think that's going to wrap it up for the video today, guys. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on post notifications. That way you never miss one of my videos. We're doing 2 a week right now. Well, we started in November, but 2 a week for the new year. I'm going to try to keep it going for the full year. We'll see how it goes because busy year coming up. But make sure you subscribe, post notifications, thumbs up on this video. I really would appreciate it very much. I think I deserve it. Check out my Instagram, TikTok, all that jazz. And until the next time, guys, ride safe, have fun. Dad